My video guide is about removing the online scam and fake alerts that are associated with the site Takeekatthree.xyz. Takeekatthree.xyz is a new malicious and deceptive site attacking Google Chrome and other browsers. It tries to mislead people and to make them think that their computer is supposedly infected with some malware. Then the pop-up tries to make people interact with them and click on special buttons integrated into the pop-up. However, it's a mistake to interact with these pop-ups, and it's a mistake to download or install anything that these pop-ups suggest, so don't interact with them. We recommend you to thoroughly research the control panel of your computer and uninstall any programs that might be suspicious. Some adware type applications may display such scary content through the popular browsers, so be careful and remove any suspicious items. We also recommend you to thoroughly research your system with Combo Cleaner antivirus, and the best place to get it is on the page combocleaner.com. Download it through this green download button, install the program, and start researching and investigating your device to identify and delete other threats. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.